People versus Ray Mullins. Mr. Abraham, did you have a chance to go over the pre-sentence report?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Douglas Abraham appearing on behalf of Mr. Mullins. Mr. Mullins and I have reviewed the pre-sentence report. It is accurate. I have a few items to say on his behalf.
Yep.
First, I'd like to just point out that the alcohol assessment said a mild alcohol use disorder in early remission. And by way of background, Mr. Mullins had gastric bypass surgery almost 2 years ago. He's lost 200 pounds. So he had nothing, no alcohol for a year. He drank on this day and had a couple beers and a couple shots, and he had a very high blood alcohol level, which
Right.
he believes is related to that bypass surgery. He's not had a drop to drink in 9 months. He purchased on his own an alcohol monitoring system that he can test in the morning and at night every day. He just doesn't drink. He's 48 years old. He works at Ford Motor Company at the Michigan Assembly Plant. He's building the new Bronco, and they're working him 10 and a half hours a day, sometimes 6, and it might be even 7 days a week. The recommendations are appropriate, but he has.
I'll waive the alcohol monitor.
All right. Well,
Is that what you were asking?
Well, no, actually, he doesn't want to do the outpatient treatment. He's willing to pay for monitoring for as long as the court wants, because he just doesn't drink. He's not going to drink, and he's.
Well, then, I mean, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do 30 days on the alcohol monitor, and he can get an assessment. He doesn't have to do outpatient treatment. He can get an assessment, and as long as they say he's good, I'm happy with that. Okay?
Great, thank you.
And the other thing I would say is, under the new guidelines on probation, is that although, Mr. Mullins, I'm going to put you on probation for 9 months, you can petition the court anytime after 4.5 months. Is that after the halfway mark, if you completed everything, to terminate early? Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
I am going to put you on probation for 9 months. It's $600 on fines and costs. You have to pay the probation costs, the state costs, and the victim's fund fee, restitution to the arresting agency. You're to serve 30 days on an alcohol monitor and get an alcohol assessment. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or controlled substances, and with random drug or alcohol tests at the direction of the probation department. Ms. Rapp will write it up for you, and then you can make a payment plan with us for you to pay off your fines and costs. She'll answer any questions you have and give you your first reporting date and give you your probation orders.
Okay, Your Honor.
Anything else for today?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, then you're